Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a Target dollar spot haul. I was totally enabled to go back to Target from my bestie Armeen, who is Happy Mail Queen. Hey girl. She had shared her haul and I had already went to Target, but as we all know, all Target dollar spots are not created equally for whatever reason. For me, it's very frustrating because you see all these haul videos and you have a list of things that you want to try and go get, and then you go and then your Target doesn't have like 10 or 15 of the items that you want to purchase. So anyway, I found a few more items, so I'm jumping on to share. All right, let's just jump right on in. I did pick up this wooden heart. It was $3 and I'm going to put it in my kitchen for kitchen decoration, and you can just stand it up like this, and I just thought that was really cute. So I picked that up, and I think I'm going to spray it with some hairspray so the glitter doesn't come off. But that's a fun find for only $3. I did find this really cute picture frame. I hadn't seen anybody share this, and it has like a little clip, and it has little tiny gold hearts on it, and then it has a little stand, and it's wooden. It was $3, and I figured I could embellish this and kind of create maybe a mini scrapbook page and put a picture of like me and my daughter or something, and put it in the kitchen on my shelf with all of my Valentine's Day decor. I think that would be really cute, so I was happy to find that. Moving along, I did find these puffy hearts, and Armeen had shared these, and I didn't see them in the first time I went in, so I was glad to find the puffy hearts in pink. And then I also picked them up in red, really pretty sequins. I did find the drink charms, and I really love these, and you can turn these in or take them off of the wine charm and put them on your dangles, and they're just super cute to put on. You can put them on paper clips or whatever your heart desires. So I got the pink, and then I also got the black and white clear. So really, really cute, and these were only $1, so great price. I found one of the hot cocoa wooden signs, and this was $1. I was hoping to find a couple of more of the little signs, but didn't have any luck. This was the only one that they had at the Target I went to, as far as like the little small ones. So I took it. I grabbed it. I did get one pair of socks, and these have little hearts on them. I thought those were cute. I did pick up this 8 count, and it says, what does it say? Paper shapes, and they're actually vellum, looks like vellum hearts, so that is why I picked them up. And this is like iridescent and then like a pink vellum color. I don't know if you can see it through the packaging, but I thought that was really pretty, and it was only $1. It says it's garland. I guess you can turn it into garland. I'm gonna play with that. And then I did find these puffy heart stickers, and I got one sheet, and they are really pretty as well. And then I was so happy to find this little set, and Armeen had showed this set, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so cute. The first Target I went to, they had a set similar to this, but it was black, and I didn't really like the black one. And so the second Target I went to had it in the pink, and I was like, yay, because y'all know I love to bake sugar cookies, and this is just extra cute. And for $3, yes, I'm gonna pick it up. And it also has washi tape, which is absolutely adorable as well. So I was happy to find that. And then actually a couple more things. I did get this wooden sign. It says old fashioned hot cocoa, warm and chocolatey, and I thought this would be really cute to put in my kitchen with like a little hot cocoa stand. So I did pick this up, and this sign was $3, so really cute. And then I did pick up a birdhouse just for kitchen heart home decor. I thought that was cute, and that was also $3. And then last but not least, I picked up this adorable cake stand, and it has little hearts around it, scalloped hearts, and I just thought this was absolutely adorable. So this is definitely going in my kitchen for Valentine's Day decor. So yeah, really, really happy with that. And I think this was, $5 in case you're wondering. Anyway, that is my Target dollar spot haul. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.